everyone, it's Dana back with this week's craft, and I'm in a thankful mood because it's Thanksgiving time. So I'm going to put together these fun little kits that are all about thankful sayings, and you can paper clip them together, you can staple them together, tape them, use glue sticks, whatever you want. Or if you don't want to make them into a chain, if you have a jar, you can put them into a kindness or thankfulness jar, and you can do it that way. As you can see, I've made a ton of little envelopes that have everything inside, so you can come pick those up at the Market Street entrance after this video airs. And they're very simple. Fill in with someone you love, someone I'm grateful for, and I'm going to use a stapler real quick just for time purposes, and you just clip it into a little ring. One of my greatest blessings is, and you feed that through one side. This is a great project to do as a family, and it also, you can have your kids help and use glue sticks or glue the pieces together. I am thankful for. A blessing that makes me smile is I love one of my greatest blessings is, and you'll want to fill these in, of course, before you get them together. Today was great because my life is blessed by. And these are great if you want to have children do it and give it as a gift or use it as a Thanksgiving display for your holiday dinner. Thanksgiving is great because someone I'm grateful for is, and then whenever you get your desired length, you're done. You can add as many or as few as you like. If you don't like some of the prompts, you don't have to use them. You can use your own. I've also found online you can get some great little prompts and printables that you also can print out and have your children fill in. And again, these will make a nice little Thanksgiving jar. You just fold them up after you fill them out. And then when you have a sad day, reach in and grab your little thankfulness, and it should bring a little smile to your face. So this is a quick, fun, and easy craft you can do for the Thanksgiving holiday. Again, like I said, I have a ton of take and make kits, so please stop by the library, help yourself, and enjoy this craft while you can. So thanks for watching.